Hello everyone, Ollie the repair dude is here again. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to bypass your iCloud locked iPhones 6s up to X with Artemis Activator Pro by iOS Nemesis. Please note this tool is paid, and as you can see here, I have an iPhone 8 on the iCloud activation lock screen. First thing is to jailbreak your device with WinRAR 2.1. Open the WinRAR. Let it load. This will take some time. Make sure you connect your device properly, and so that you detect. If for some case doesn't detect, you can click fix driver. Once it detects your device, you can click next and follow the instructions to jailbreak the device. You get this warning if using A11 devices like iPhone 8, 8 Plus and X. Click OK. And wait for it to go to the DFU mode instructions. Follow the instruction once you click start. Let it jailbreak. This will take quite some time. Once it's all done, allow the iPhone to load to the hello screen. You can now click quit. Once you're done, you can open Artemis Activator Pro. Open Artemis Activator Pro. You get congratulations, your device is supported for iCloud bypass with without signal. Register your device and bypass. I'll be giving the details to register your device in the description below. It's a paid tool, by the way, so prepare your crypto for that. I'll be registering my own device.
A few moments later.
Alright, finally, I already registered the device and the iPhone is still in activation lock screen. I keep it in the jailbreak state, so I can now click activate device and let the tool do its magic. Now let the device reboot. This will take quite some time. Be patient. And boom, it's now on the home screen directly. Now you can try. I show you that it's fully untethered by force shutdown by pressing volume down, volume up, and power key. I just force shut down the iPhone to show you this is fully untethered bypass without signal, without change of serial number. As you can see, I never installed any DC SD cable or edit the serial number of the iPhone, and show this is fully untethered. No activation lock after the force shutdown. See? It is fully untethered. The bypass is fully untethered, and this bypass is no signal bypass. Okay, that's all for this short tutorial video. Please like, share, and comment on my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in another video again soon. Hearts for you. Bye for now.